swimming. Okay. Today we'll solve that exercise, but before starting the exercise, we'll say one prayer. So close your eyes and say the prayer along with me. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaresu Sarvada. Okay. In the previous class, I had told you the summary of the Benjamin John's Go Swimming. I had you completed the whole poem also. Today we will solve that exercise. So all of you open page number 81. Okay. Comprehension. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. First one. What did Benjamin inform his wife? The Benjamin informed his wife that on the 4th July there is a free for all swimming competition is there. So he wanted to participate in that competition. If he tried in that competition, he is sure to win. Why did Benjamin's wife discourage him? Because the Benjamin was not gone for swimming for many years. That's why the Benjamin's wife discouraged him. How did Benjamin win the swimming competition? How? When the Benjamin began to the swimming, he participated in the swimming competition. That time there was a crab in the water. The crab came to eat his toes. Isn't it? That's why to escape from the crab, the Benjamin started the swimming fast and he won the competition. What do you learn from this poem? We learned that if we try, we get success. Isn't it? Where there is a will, there is a way. That is we learn from this poem. Next, appreciation. Answer the following as directed. The poem is in the style of, first one, the poem is in the style of, first A option, a dialogue, B option, anticlimax, C option, satire, and D option, climax. This is the satire, means C. The correct one is C. Choose the C. Okay, select this one. Next, appreciate the following expressions in 3 to 4 sentences each. With others so fast, you are sure to be lost. Means, who said this sentence? The Benjamin John's wife said this sentence to the Benjamin John's when he was going for the swimming competition. She told like this. His pace was so slow that a crab saw his toe and thought it would venture a bite. Means when the Benjamin John started for swimming, that time the crab saw his toes. Then there was a so slow, and the crab decided that venture a bite. The crab wanted to bite the Benjamin John's leg or the toes, isn't it? Okay. Next, C1. She fell in the lake with a splash. She means the Benjamin's wife. When the Benjamin Johns won the competition, won the swimming competition by seeing that his wife fell in the lake with a splash. Okay, I will send you these answers to your WhatsApp number. Okay, just I am telling here orally. Next, 3. Compose a 4-line poem with any humorous situation which you have come across and present it to the class. Means what you have to do is 4-line poem you need to create and use the rhyming words. As you know what are the rhyming words. So use the rhyming words and make the 4-line poem. This is your homework. Okay. And it should be in the humorous situation, means numerically you need to generate that poem. Next, come to the exercises. Let us read and respond. A. Fill in the blanks based on your understanding of the poem. First one, Benjamin told his wife that, what did the Benjamin told his wife? He told that he would take a part. I am writing here answer. The first fill in the blank. He would take part in a swimming competition. He would take a part in a swimming competition. Okay. So this is the answer. The Benjamin told that he would take a part in the swimming competition. This is the answer. Next, second fill in the blanks. It was a, which type of competition it was? It was a free for all competition. So you need to write free for all. Means anybody can participate in that competition. Free for all means ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್. Okay. Next, which is the third one? Benjamin's wife said that he would come last because the Benjamin wife said that if you participate in that competition, you will come last. Because why she told like that? Because he had not gone for swimming. He had not gone for swimming. For years. For years means he has not practiced the swimming for years. That's why she told like that. Next, coming to the fourth one. The swimmers galore waited for a praise. The blank you need to write is P-R-A-I-S-E. So, copy these all the blanks neatly in your textbook. The swimmers galore waited for a prize on the day of the competition. Okay, next, fifth one. The competition took place. When was the competition takes place? The competition took place on the 4th July. So you need to write the 4th July. The competition was held on the 4th July. Next, sixth one. Dash passed Benjamin on the right and the left because swimmers passed. So write the swimmers passed Benjamin on the right and left because he was slow. Who was slow? The Benjamin was slow. He was slow. So these two are the answers. Next, seventh one. The crab thought of biting Benjamin's toe because it must have looked like a food. The Benjamin's Johnson toy is looked like a food. So here I will write the 7th and 8th one. Okay. The 7th one is it must have looked like a food. Benjamin Johnson the toes ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಕ್ರಾಬಿಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು. So it must looked like a food. It must have looked like food. Okay. This is the 7th answer. You need to write fully. Okay. Next, 8th one. Benjamin won the race as he swam fast to escape the crab. Why the Benjamin was won the competition means because he swam means swim. ಇದರ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? swam. Swim, swam. He swam fast to escape the crab. To escape the crab. Crab ಇಂದ escape ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. That's why he won the competition. Okay. Next. Ninth one. His wife fell into the water. At the end of this poem, at the climax, what happens? His wife means the Benjamin John's wife fell into the water because she was shocked. She was shocked to see her husband win the race. She was shocked to see her husband win the race. But she thought that she will lost that competition because the Benjamin John's was not gone for the swimming for the many years. That's why she thought that she will lose that competition. But at the end what happens? The Benjamin won the race. That's why she was shocked to see her husband win the race. This is the answer. Okay, I had told you the 8 fill in the blanks and I had told you the objective also. Next, make a list of all the rhyming words in the poem. There are rhyming words in the same lines and at the end of the lines. Okay, so this is your homework. I will not tell the answers. This is your homework. Okay, make a list of the rhyming words in the poem. Read the rhyming words. First, read out the poem carefully. There are so many rhyming words are there. Just I will give you example that here. See, which are those? Okay, galore, shore. Galore, shore. This is one example for the rhyming word. Like that, so many examples are there. So you make a list of that. Okay. So this exercise is completed. Okay. Next, shall we start the next lesson? Okay. Just I will give you some introduction about the lesson, that is prose 2. Means lesson number 2. The boys who sold wisdom. The boy who sold wisdom. It is page number 11. So all of you need to open page number 11. Okay. Here the pre-reading task is there. First of all, I would like to ask you, what is wisdom? Wisdom andre enu? What is wisdom? Wisdom means ನಾವು ಏನು ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ. The ರಾಜರ ವಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ, we call it as the wisdom. Okay. Here some pre-reading task is there. King Akbar received a letter from the neighboring king asking for a pot full of wisdom. He in turn consulted his clever jester Birbal. Means what happens during the meet, the king Akbar, the Akbar was received a letter from the neighboring king asking for a pot full of wisdom. Means the neighbor country king was demanded for the pot full of wisdom. He in turn consulted his clever jester Birbal. Means the Akbar was consulted his clever jester Birbal. Birbal requested the king to give him some time to give a pot full of wisdom. Here, pot full of wisdom means large quantity of wisdom. Large quantity of wisdom. Pot means, as you all know, pot. ಮಣ್ಣಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಡಿಕೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? pot. Pot full of wisdom. Is it possible to give the pot full of wisdom? Can you contain the wisdom in the pot? No. That's why the Birbal asked some time to find out the solution. The king agreed. Means the Akbar was agreed So Birbal gave a pumpkin in a pot and gave it to the king. So what did the Birbal do? The Birbal gave a pumpkin in a pot. What did the Birbal took one pot and he gave a pumpkin in that pot. The king, next he gave it to the king. The king in turn sent it across to the neighboring king with a note. So the king took that and he sent to the neighboring king with a note. What is written on the note is, the wisdom should be removed without damaging the pot. Means the king was write a note that the wisdom should be removed without damaging the pot or the wisdom in it. Here the wisdom means pumpkin. Okay, the Birbal gave a pumpkin in the pot. Is it possible to take out that pumpkin from the pot? Pumpkin means kumbalkai. Okay, kumbalkai na pot olagade belesidre beeja haki. Is it possible to take out that pumpkin without damaging the pot? No. When you damage the pot, then only you can get out that. So, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಮಡಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ಆ ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ದಟ್, ಇಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಒಂದು ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಹಾಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಟ್ ಹಾಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಹಾಳಾಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಹಾಳಾಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಪಾಟ್ ಹಾಳಾಗಬಾರ್ದು. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಔಟ್. If you damage either of them, you should be ready for a battle. And also the King Akbar warned that if you damage either of them, means if you damage the pumpkin also, you need to ready for the battle. If you damage the pot also, be ready for the battle. Battle ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಯುದ್ಧ. ಯುದ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು the King Akbar wrote a note. The neighboring king was surprised to see the pot full of wisdom, realized his mistake and fell at the emperor's feet. The neighboring king, when he received the pot with the pumpkin grave inside it, he was surprised by seeing the pot full of wisdom. Then he realized his mistake. How foolish I am! What a foolish question I have asked to the King Akbar. So I did a mistake by asking the pot full of wisdom. So then the neighboring king was realized his mistake and he fell down to the King Akbar's feet. He begged the emperor forgive him, and the neighboring king begged to the King Akbar forgive him. Okay. So here some questions are there. What was the demand of the neighboring king? Read this passage and find out the answer. How did Birbal get a pot full of wisdom? Third one is, what is the meaning of a pot full of wisdom? These answers I will tell you in the next class. Till then, read this lesson completely and find out these three answers, and also complete the previous lesson exercise, previous poem exercise also. Okay. Okay, dear students, we'll meet you in the next class. Have a nice day.